I'm Kalima Young, a lecturer in the Department of Electronic Media and Film. Welcome to the podcast for our fall film series, Drones and Droids, Cyborg Sex. This series will run for 6 weeks beginning September 10th and ending October 15th, Monday evenings at 7:30 p.m. in the Van Bocklin Auditorium. It's free and open to the public. Spanning several genres, Drones and Droids, Cyborg Sex explores the role of science and technology in creating and shaping power across race, gender, sex, and sexuality. Special guests will be invited to participate in in-depth and provocative discussions. Screenings will be followed by Q&A. Would a robot girlfriend break your best friend away from his latest round of Fortnite? When does the perfect mate become a dangerous lesson in objectification? Join us on October 15th for our final foray into Drones and Droids, Cyborg Sex, with a screening of Lars and the Real Girl, a film from 2007 directed by Greg Gillespie. Extremely shy Lars finds it impossible to make friends or socialize. His brother and sister-in-law worry about him, so when he announces that he has a girlfriend he met on the internet, they are overjoyed. But Lars's new lady is a life-sized plastic woman. On the advice of a doctor, his family and the rest of the community go along with his delusion. But will this delusion lead to further madness? This film is not only thought-provoking, it also deals with mental illness with a measure of understated compassion, something we are sorely in need of. We will be screening Lars and the Real Girl October 15th in Van Bocklin at 7:30 p.m. Join us, and let's round out the series on Cyborg Sex.